Storytime English. The Twin Lions. Leo and Leah. Once upon a time, there were two twin lions named Leo and Leah who lived in the heart of the jungle. They were the best of friends and did everything together. They loved to explore the jungle, chase each other around, and nap under the shade of big trees. One sunny day, Leo and Leah were taking a nap under a big tree when they heard a loud noise. Leo woke up and said, "What was that noise?" Leah replied, "I don't know, but it sounds like it's coming from over there," pointing towards a nearby cave. Leo suggested, "Let's go check it out." As they approached the cave, they saw a little monkey trapped inside, crying for help. Leo asked, "What's wrong, little monkey? How can we help you?" The monkey replied, "I was playing in the jungle and got lost. I wandered into this cave and now I can't find my way out." Leah said, "Don't worry, we'll help you find your way out of the cave." Leo and Leah worked together and found a way to help the monkey escape. The monkey was grateful and thanked them for their help. As they were leaving the cave, the monkey turned to Leo and Leah and said, "You two are the bravest lions I've ever met. Thank you for saving me." Leo and Leah smiled and said, "No problem, helping others is what friends do." Suddenly, they heard a loud growling noise coming from the other side of the cave. It was a big, scary bear. Leo and Leah knew they had to protect their new friend, so they stood in front of the monkey to shield him from the bear. Leah said to Leo, "We have to be brave and protect our friend from the bear." Leo nodded his head and roared loudly to scare the bear away. The bear got scared and ran off into the jungle. The monkey was amazed at how brave Leo and Leah were. He said, "You two are amazing. I'm so glad we're friends." Leo and Leah replied, "We're glad we could help you. Friends stick together and help each other out." The three friends continued to explore the jungle together and had many more adventures. They played, laughed, and protected each other along the way. From that day on, Leo and Leah had a new friend in the jungle. They learned that friendship and bravery go hand in hand, and that helping others is the right thing to do.